Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We will solve today the homework assignment for Middle 2, Week 6 for the second term. Let's start together. Firstly, we have here all the questions. Let's start with the first one. We have here a rectangle and parallelogram, and given the area of the rectangle ABCD equals 54 centimeter per 2, find the area of the parallelogram ABEF. Okay, as we know, we have a rectangle and its two opposite sides are parallel, right? And also we have a parallelogram ABEF and its two opposite sides are parallel. Okay, we can see here we have a parallelogram and rectangle. Both of them lies between two parallel straight lines, and AB is a common base, right? AB is a common base, so they are equal in area. And we have the area of rectangle 54, so also the area of parallelogram will equals 54. Again, let's start write the proof. If we have here a rectangle, ABCD is a rectangle. ABEF is a parallelogram. Okay, and we can say here CF parallel to AB, right? And AB is a common base. So they are equal in area. So the area of ABCD, the rectangle, equal the area of parallelogram ABEF equals 54 centimeter power 2. Okay, again we have a rectangle and parallelogram. Both of them lies between two parallel straight lines with a common base. They are equal in area. So when the area of the rectangle equal 54, so also the area of parallelogram equals 54. Parallelogram ABEF equals 54 centimeter power 2. Question number 2. In the opposite figure, ABCD is a parallelogram. AB equals 8 centimeter, AD equals 6, and AF equals 4 centimeter. Find the area of parallelogram ABCD and the length of AE. Before we start, let's remember that in any parallelogram there are two heights and two bases. Okay, and when you wanted to get the area of parallelogram, you have to take the height, okay, and the corresponding base. Like here we have here a long base and short height. We can't take AF as a height with the base BC. That's wrong. Take the corresponding base. Look, the height here is perpendicular on DC, so AF is a height and DC is a base. Okay, so let's get the area of the parallelogram. We have here the base, we don't have, but we know this is a parallelogram, so AB equals DC equals 8 centimeter, so this equals 8 centimeter. Okay, now we have the height AF and DC is the base. We can get the area of the rectangle. Area of parallelogram, sorry. Area of parallelogram equal base times height. So equals 4 times 8 equals 32 centimeter power 2. Now we have the area, we can get the height. Okay, look, he wants to get the length of AE. AE is the height, right? Where the corresponding base BC. AE is perpendicular on BC, so we have to get the length of the corresponding base, which is BC. AD equals 6, so BC equals also 6 centimeter, right? So let's complete. Since AD equals BC equals 6 centimeter, So we can get the height. The height equal area divided base. So 32 divided 6 equals 5.3 centimeter. Now let's start with question 3. In the opposite figure we have AD parallel to BC and AB equals to AC. Let's start here. We have equal places. EB equals to AC. Okay, E is the midpoint, so FE is the median, which divide two triangles into two triangles equal in area. Okay, we have here EB equal to AC, and F is the common vertex between the two triangles. So the area of triangle FCE equals the area of triangle FEB, and this number 1. Okay, and so we finished this, and now AD parallel to BC. If we have two parallel straight lines and two triangles lies between two parallel straight lines with a common base, they are equal in area. So look, if AD parallel to BC, we have now two triangles, a triangle ADB and the triangle ADC. They are lies between two straight lines and with a common base AD, so they are equal in area. Okay, let's write this. We in the triangle ADB and the triangle ADC. Since AD parallel to BC and AD is a common base, so they are equal in area. So the area of triangle ADC ADB equal the area of triangle ADC. Let's say this number 2. Okay, now he want to get what? He want to prove the area of the figure ABEF equal the area of the figure DFEC. Okay, do you need this part which in the upper? No, we don't need it. We only want to get the area of this part and the area of this part. So let's subtract the triangle AFD from number 2, from the triangle, to get only the second part. So by subtracting, let's remove the triangle ADF. We will get the area of triangle AFB equal the area of triangle DFC, and this number 3. Okay, as we said, ABF, the area of triangle ABF equals the area of triangle DFC, and also from number 1, the area of triangle FBE equals the area of triangle FCE. So if we add the two triangles, we will get the figure ABEF equal the area of the figure DFEC. So by adding 1 and 3, we will get the area of AFEB equal the area of the figure DFEC, and that's required. Okay, now let's start with question 4. Find the area of the square whose diagonal is 10. We know the area of the square equals side times itself, or by using diagonals, half times D1 and D2. Okay, we know the two diagonals in the square are equal, so the area of the square equal half times D bar 2. Okay, the diagonal equals 10, so half times 10 power 2 equals 50 centimeter power 2. Okay, question number 5. Find the area of trapezium in which the lengths of two parallel bases are 12 centimeter, 10 centimeter, and its height equals 6. We know the area of trapezium equal half times the sum of the two bases times the height. So just apply the rule, half times 12 plus 10 times 6. Okay, which equals 66 centimeter power 2. The last question, the area of rhombus whose perimeter is 40 centimeter and its height equals 7. We know the area of the rhombus equal base length times the height. So we have to get the base length. But we have the perimeter. As we know, the perimeter of rhombus equal the side length times 4, because the 4 sides in the rhombus are equal. So let's get the length, the side length perimeter divided 4. So 40 divided by 4 equals 10 centimeter. And then to get the area, equal base length times height. So 10 times 7 equals 70 centimeter. Now let's start with the second part with algebra. Find in R the solution set of the following equations. Number 7, x power 2 plus x minus 12 equals 0. We can factorize this using calculator, or let's do it together. Let's factorize x power 2 will be x and x. The third term will 12. So we need two numbers. Their product equals 12 and their difference 1, which in the middle term here there is 1x. So 12 is the product of 3 by 4. The sign here is minus. So the big number will take the same sign of the middle, which is 4 will be positive like the middle sign, and the other will be the opposite. Okay, now let's get the value of x. So we can solve it like this. Do it like equation. X plus 4 equals 0. Take 3 to the other side by opposite sign. So x will equal 3. And here 4 also to the other side. So x equal negative 4. Or directly you can inverse the sign. So the solution set here equals a 3 and negative 4. Okay. Number 8. 2x power 2 plus 3x equals 5. So we have to take 5 to the other side by opposite sign to be in the form of the quadratic equation, and then factorize. 2x power 2 will be 2x times x, and 5, the product of 5 will be 5 times 1. Sorry. Okay, the big number take the same sign of the middle, the second is opposite, so will be positive 5 and negative 1. And this one you can solve it easily by calculator. Okay, you can make mode 5 3 and do it. Write all the coefficients only. Now let's get the value of x. 2x plus 5 equals 0. Take 5 to the opposite side, so 2x equal negative 5. Divide here by 2 and here by 2, so x equal negative 5 over 2. And the second bracket, x minus 1 equals 0. Take 1 to the opposite side, so x equal 1. Don't forget to write the solution set. Will be 1 and negative 5 over 2. Question number 9. X power 2 equals 5x. Also, you have to take 5x to the other side by opposite sign. So x power 2 minus 5x equal 0. Okay, here we have to do it using the HCF because x is repeated, right? So take x and then divide. X power 2 divided x equals x, and 5x divided x equals only 5, equals 0. Now we can divide this two parts. Okay, so we can say the first value of x will be x equals 0 and x minus 5 equals 0. Directly x equals 5. Now the solution set will be 0 and 5. Number 10, the last question. X power 2 minus 49, this difference between two squares. So the value will be x minus, take the square root of x power 2 will be x. And the square 2 of 49 will be 7. So x minus 7 and x plus 7 equal 0. Now the value of x will be 7 and negative 7. The solution set will be negative 7 and 7. That's all for today. Please make like if you like the video and subscribe to get all the videos. Thank you so much.